Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. We're going to give you a quick sound demo of the BlitzWolf soundbar. And if we move on to the middle, as I said before in the box, you have our power source and volume up and down key here. There's no visual display to actually indicate what you're at, but you can use the remote here, which will switch from either from auxiliary BT, optical, coaxial, HDMI and USB. So on the back, just to point out, the ports for the outputs are at the very back of it there, and there is still a bit of space there sticking out, so it is going to affect if you're particularly putting against the wall where we have it set up at the moment here. Things are just a bit tight around here at the minute as we're moving house, and it's just, this is the best situation for here at the minute, but it's something to consider. So if we play some sound first directly through the TV, we'll let you listen to that, and then we'll switch over to Bluetooth and see the difference. Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. Today we're going to have a look at the new Soul Electronics Wireless Transform Active Performance on-ear headphones Bluetooth, and these are aimed at professional athletes. And up here it's telling us that they are sweat proof up to 18 hours of playtime, and we've got power, clarity and comfort. This is a nicely presented package, as you can see. It's magnetised side on it, and on the side it will give us some information as to Signature Bluetooth Wireless Sound 4.0, advanced drivers and circuitry design for a balanced bass and clear mids and highs, lightweight guaranteed to stay on, breathable headband designed for maximum breathability and coolness, removable washable ear pads, and up to 18 hours playtime for wireless music and calls. So on the back, it will give us more information. So that's how loud that is there, directly through the speaker. And as you can see, from the TV. So we switch across to Bluetooth by doing that. Delve in a bit more and check it out. Check out the different sound. The presentation is excellent. So that's pretty much, it sounds actually much better as a Bluetooth box than it does directly powered to the TV, from just testing a couple of videos and so on. But again, it might vary per TV and so on, and your settings, but air volume is set to just normal and just to keep it balanced. And it sounds better as a Bluetooth speaker than a soundbar for your TV, but as I said, that might vary per TV. Any questions at techbuzzorn.com. That's the BlitzWolf soundbar for your TV, and it's a Bluetooth speaker as well. And any questions, techbuzzorn.com. Feel free to ask. Talk to you in the next one.